Hi, a very good morning children. A warm welcome to the new session. Happy Tuesday all of you. How are you all? Yes, okay. I hope all are fine and safe at home, I think. Okay, fine. Come to the today's session. Tuesday means which subject you have? Tuesday means you have EVS subject. Yes. Subject EVS. Environmental Studies or Science Literacy. Okay. Topic name I'll write later. I'll tell you why it is, okay? And date is, what is the date today? 14/9/2021. And the day is Tuesday. And the day is Tuesday, okay? And which class are you all? Which class? First standard. Okay. In the previous class, what we have studied about the topic? We have studied about the topic water, and I have given all the notes regarding the topic water. I hope you all have finished. Okay. Which topic I have given the notes in the previous class about the topic water. Water is the one of the basic necessity, right? Yes, water we use in many ways in our day-to-day life. Yes, of course. Okay, that is the lesson about water. Notes, everything we have finished regarding the topic water. Only the thing is left, that is you have to learn. You have to learn. Okay, fine. Come to the today's session. Today the date is 14/9/2021 and the day is Tuesday. Subject is EVS class. Which class are you all? First standard. Okay. Why I didn't write the topic name? Why children? Yes, I will tell you. Because before going to write the chapter name, I want to ask you one thing. You just tell me, okay, you just tell me the answer. Whether this statement is right or wrong, it's you judge. Okay. The statement is, our body is like a machine. Our body is like a machine. And it needs fuel to run. Do you agree with this statement? Why I have given this statement? Do you agree? I'll explain why I have given this statement. It seems that one also I will explain. Before that, you just think yourself why I am saying our body is like a machine and why our body needs a fuel, it seems. Why I have given this statement? Why our body is like a machine? One more example I think. Okay. Regarding this same statement, I'll give you one more example. That is, any vehicles, that may be two-wheeler or four-wheeler, any vehicles you just take. If we start the vehicle means what it needs? It needs fuel to get start. Without fuel, it won't get start. Do you agree? Yes. For example, washing machine. If we want to run the washing machine, what it needs? It needs electricity. If power is there, if current is there, then only it will run. We can switch on the light and it will get start their work, right? Yes, in the same way, our body is like a machine and it needs fuel to run. Why? I hope now you have understood why our body is like a machine. It seems I have given this statement. It's why I have given this statement. It seems now you have understood. Yes. Our body is like a machine. Yes, children, of course, our body is like a machine because our body also to do various things, will work various things, running, jumping, writing. We work, many kinds of work we'll do in our daily routine life, right? Yes, our body also needs fuel, children. Our body also needs fuel to do all these various kinds of work. You might be thinking, fuel means what? Which type of fuel we need? It seems fuel. Here, fuel refers to the energy. Here, fuel means energy. To do different kinds of work, we need energy. Our body needs energy. Yes or no? Do you agree or not? That's the reason I have given this statement. Our body is like a machine. Okay? To do various things. Various work we'll do, right, in our daily routine life. We'll run, we'll walk, we'll play, we'll write, we'll work some household work. To do all these kinds of work, what we need? We need energy. Okay? Even I agree. Our body is like a wonderful machine. We need to do various kinds of work. We need energy. Okay? Here fuel means energy. How the way the vehicles, washing machine needs electricity. How the way the vehicles need fuel to get started. In the same way, our body needs energy to do various works. Okay? Okay, fine. So from where we are getting energy? We need energy to do work, to play, to walk, to run. From where we are getting this energy? From where? What is the actual definition of energy? From where we are getting this energy? We are getting energy from the food. We are getting energy from the food. Do you agree? Energy means food. From the food, we get energy. From the food, we get energy. From the energy, we can do many kinds of work. Many kinds of work. So, our body is like a wonderful machine. We need energy to do various kinds of work. Energy, we are getting energy from food. We are getting energy from food. Okay, fine. Food. Yes, exactly. So, the topic is about the food. The topic is about delicious food. Page number 27. In your EVS textbook, page number 27. Lesson number 4. Delicious food. Just I have given an introduction about the topic. Okay? Delicious food. Directly, yes. I will start directly. Yes, delicious food. Some foods are there. We need food to get energy. From the energy, we can do all the kinds of work it seems. No, children. Before going to write the topic, I want to give you introduction. You have to understand which topic is ma'am is going to teach us today it seems. You have a clear picture about the topic. You have to understand yourself about which topic ma'am is going to teach us today it seems. Now, I hope now you all have understood about which topic we are going to study in this session itself. About the topic food, delicious food, different types of food, delicious food. Okay. Delicious food. Yes. Our body is like a wonderful machine. To do various work, various kinds of work, we need energy. From where we are getting energy? From food we are getting energy. To do work, to play, to walk, to run, we need energy. From food we are getting energy. Okay, food is the source of energy, right? From where we get food? What is the sources of food? What are the sources of food? Already have studied in the previous class while studying about the lesson plants and animals. We already knew plants and animals are the sources of food. Plants and animals are the sources of food. Do you agree, children? Yes. From where we are getting food actually? From plants and animals. Plants and animals are the sources of food. How plants and animals are the sources of food? How we'll get food from the plants and animals? You might be thinking, right? Yes. How, children? We'll all eat daily in our day-to-day life. We'll all eat vegetables and fruits. From where we are getting vegetables and fruit? From plants and trees we are getting vegetables and fruits. Already have studied about plants and trees. Many kinds of plants, many kinds of trees. You have already studied about the lesson. In the lesson, plants. So, plants are the main source of food. From plants, we are getting fruits and vegetables. From plants, we are getting fruits and vegetables. Okay, come to the second one. Animals. How the way animals gives us food? How the way animals gives us food? Daily morning what we need? When we wake up right from the bed, daily morning what we need? We need hot cup of tea or milk or boost, Horlicks to get energy, right? It's just like a fuel. Yes or no? Yes. From where we are getting milk? From where we are getting milk? From buffaloes, from animals. Buffaloes, from cows we are getting milk, and hence gives us egg. There is a very rich vitamins is there in the eggs, children. Daily one boiled egg we must eat. We must eat. There is a lot of proteins. There is a in the egg. We get lot of proteins from the egg. Hen gives us egg. And honeybee. From honeybee we'll get honey. From honeybee we'll get honey. Yes or no? Yes. Then from the milk, what cows and buffaloes gives us milk, right? From the milk we can make all the dairy products like butter, curd, milk-based products like paneer, cheese. Yes or no? Yes, all the dairy products we can make from the milk. So then meat, flesh of animals also we need, children. Some of the people, those who are non-vegetarian, right? Those are non-vegetarian people eat flesh of animals also, like chicken, goat, fish. These kinds of flesh of animals also they eat. So animals also source of the food. Yes, exactly. We can say plants and animals are the sources of food. Plants and animals are the sources of food. How the way the food helps us? Food gives us energy to do work. Food keeps us. We live means we need food. When we feel hungry, time to time what we need? We need food. If we skip one meal also, how we feel? We feel very tired, right? We look very tired. If we skip one meal also, we look very tired. So time to time, on regular intervals, we need food. Food is one of the basic necessity to our life. Food is one of the basic necessity to our life. Okay? We need food to live. We need food to survive. Food gives us energy. Food keeps our health strong and neat. Okay? We need food. From food we are getting energy. From food we are getting energy. What are the sources of food? Animals and plants are the sources of food. Animals and plants are the sources of food. How the way the plants are sources of food? How we can say the plants are sources of food? It says all the fruits and vegetables we get from the plants. From the animals we get milk. From the animal we get honey. From the milk we can make different kinds of milk-based products. Then hen gives us eggs. Some of the non-vegetarian people will eat flesh of animals like goat, fish, chicken. Yes or no? Cock. Flesh of cock also they eat. Those who are non-vegetarian. Okay. So this is the introduction about the chapter food. The chapter food. Okay. Why we need food? To stay healthy, to live, to survive. When we feel hungry, we need food. We need food. Okay. Then what type of food we should take? Okay. The food helps in a different way. The different types of food helps us in a different ways. Okay. Then what are the different types of foods are there? There is a 3 types of foods are there, children. There is a 3 types of foods are there. One is bodybuilding food. The second one is energy giving food. The third one is protective food. The first one is energy giving food. Energy giving food. The second one is bodybuilding food. No need to write anything, just listen the class carefully. Understand the topic about the food. Then the third one is protective food. Third one is protective food. So different types of food helps us in different ways. So according to the food, we can categorize the food in three types. One is energy giving food, the second one is body building food, and the third one is protective food. Clear? Okay. This is what the introduction about the chapter food. In the next class, you are going to learn about this three categories of food one by one in briefly. Okay. What is energy giving food? Examples of energy giving food. What is body building food? Examples of body building food. What is protective food? And examples of protective food. Why we need energy giving food? Why we need body building food? Why we need protective food? It says you are going to learn in the next class. In this class, what you have learned about the chapter delicious food. You have learned the introduction of the food. From where we are getting energy? From food. What is the sources of food? Plants and animals are the sources of food. How the plants will sources of food? All the vegetables and fruits will get from the plant. How the animals are sources of food? Some of the people, those who are non-vegetarian, eat flesh of animals like cock, fish, goat, and hence gives us eggs. Eggs are in eggs there is a rich protein we can get from the egg. So we must eat daily one boiled egg. Okay. Those who are non-vegetarian. Okay. Clear. And then apart from the flesh of animals and then eggs, how the way the plants will the sources of food? Animals like cow and buffalo gives us milk. From the milk we can make all the dairy products like curd, butter, ghee, paneer, cheese. Okay. Then honey gives us honey. Honeybee gives us honey. From honeybee we will get honey. So animals and plants are the sources of food itself. We can say. Okay. Then different kinds of food helps us in different ways. So according to this, we can categorize the three types of food. One is energy giving food, the second one is body building food, and the third one is protective food. In the next class, you are going to learn about these three categories. What is energy giving, what is body building, what is protective food, and why we need all these kinds of food it seems. Okay. And in the next class, you are going to learn about what is meal. What is meal? And there's a different types of meals are there. You are going to learn that one also in the next class. And what is non-vegetarian people? Who are all vegetarian people? It says you are going to learn. And what are the eating habits we need to follow? It seems you are going to learn. Okay, these things you are going to learn in the next session. Until that, you just recall yourself what I have taught in this session about the topic delicious food. Clear, children? Thank you. We'll meet in the next class. I am going to wind up the session now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.